Here's a dirty truth. Every year, millions of septic tanks fail, turning homes into a mess of overflowing toilets, foul odor, and costly repairs. But how does a tank designed to protect your home end up causing problems? Excess water flooding the system, sludge piling up year after year, no maintenance, poor design or bad installation, construction damage, tree roots invading, or simply age catching up. Here's the kicker. A single household can generate nearly 300 liters of wastewater every day. Without care, that turns into tons of sludge, enough to choke your tank within a few years. And when the tank fails, you pay. With your yard, with your comfort, and with your wallet. But there's a way to stop problems before they begin. Bioclean Septic and Bioclean Septic Plus adds billions of natural microbes that eat sludge, keep odor away, and protect your tank month after month. So don't wait for your septic tank to scream for help. Prevent the problem with Bioclean Septic and Bioclean Septic Plus, trusted by 5 lakh plus households.